viewers, welcome back to my channel. If you are stopping by for the very first time, please don't forget to click that subscription button below, turn on your notification bell, and in today's video I'm making your permanent prickly balm. Please keep watching. Okay guys, welcome back to my workstation. I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of my base cream into my mixing bowl, and I will add I'll add 1 tablespoon of my kojic acid into the base cream, and I will also add 1 tablespoon of my beetroot powder to the base cream. And I turn it together. Why I'm turning it now is for the powders to incorporate properly, because powders don't melt easily. I will also add half tablespoon of my alpha arbutin serum into the base cream, and I will add my rose pink food coloring. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of my rose pink. I'll make it 2 instead, into my base cream.